first and third.
Would you like to give a speech?
No.
Look just like you, bro.